First off, I want to offer my condolences. I assume if you're on this page right now, unless you're buying this for someone else, you are going through a hard time. I just want you to know God is with you. You may not feel him, but he is there. With that said, I just want to say that really quick. But you got this really nice 54-piece funeral guest book for memorial service or for the memorial service. So you got this box, this really nice box right here. As you can see, it says, share a memory. Please take a card and share a memory or a word of love here. So it says that there, very nice flowery design. That's where you put the cards in. And in the back, it says thank you. So very nice design, just a very nice box right here. You have that set out. Then you've got your cards right here. There are a total of 50 of these. So here it says, share a memory or words of love. And they can basically write their memory right there. And they put their name at the bottom. Then when they're done, they just slide it in the box right there. So there's a total of 50 of these. Set these down here. It also comes with these 2 pens, so you can have those right there. And then it has the book right here. It says in loving memory. Just open up. The first few pages are completely blank. And then it gets to family bonds, where you can sort of go through the family tree if you want there. And then all the rest of the pages are, it says in loving memory, then it says name, address, memories. And it basically just repeats that repeatedly for, I'm not sure how many pages it is, but it's a lot. It's a lot of pages. Let me see if I can just flip through to show you how many pages there are. So a lot of pages, a lot of slots to just write people's names, for people to write their names, write their memories, all that. So just great. And again, my condolences. Highly recommend this product.